Good, strong, perfect against round number 7 with opens candidates in FIDE candidates. Between with Grandmaster in Russia is Andrei Esipenko with faces against battle with Grandmaster in China Wei. So it means so 3 perfect, brilliant, sacrifice, strong, perfect. It looks like Roberts White's in International Master here. So what do you think about this perfect shot in this round number 7? So let's study how this play chess here. White pieces with GM Esipenko and black pieces with GM in China Wei Yi. So without 2 hours with standard games here with open candidates here. So in this part of this videos here, we have analyzed of the standings after round number 7 with FIDE candidates. So white plays Esipenko is e4, e5 Wei Yi, knight f3, knight f6, pawn d4. So it is called by Steinitz attack. Without main lines here, it's also knight captured pawns, and also pawn d6 with threatening the knights, and also knight kovacs f3, and also knight takes captured pawns, and also pawn d4. It is called by Petrov defense classical variation. So this is a main lines here. Without Steinitz attacks with Esipenko, pawn d4 chooses by this one with moves here, and also knight captured with Wei, queen e2 with threatening the knights. Without explain, for example, in idea, why don't we continue knight captured 3 pawns here? If your knight takes e5 and also pawn d5 here. So pawn d5 and also bishop to d3 with threatening the knights here. So without controls here, so according this one by with computer engines, so this is a goods for examples here. So what I chose by Esipenko is queen e2 threatening the knights, and also excelente is pawn d5 by Wei defense here. So it is called by this one with openings with Petrov defense, Steinitz attack symmetrical variation here. So without variation with positional moves here, and also knight takes captured pawns with Esipenko here, or maybe without idea by next of this one with queen to f3 with threatening by mating next here without examples here. So this is a next of queens, and also bishop e7 with Wei. Without idea here is next castling kingside here, and Esipenko is pawn to f3 book lines here. So pawn to this book line with threatening the knights, knight e6 with Wei, and also knight c3, and also knight f5. Wait, I forgot something. So it means knight d6 here. Without idea with planning his next move is maneuvers knight f5 here. So without knight c3 with Esipenko, knight f5 with Wei here. So this is a next positional move by maneuver here. And also queen f2, good move by Esipenko with defense of this one with pawns. Without queens here with positionals with interesting by solid move. Castle kingside by Wei, bishop f4, good move excelente with Esipenko with defense with knights here. So this is a more defense. And also pawn f6, good move by Wei, attacks the knights, knight kovacs d3, and also knight c6 by this one by Wei here. So without continuous by this one with good move by positional move, and also knight e2. Knight e2 here without more defense here by pawns. So the defense here, so this is a good precise here, or maybe with that idea with next by castling queenside here. And also knight b4 with controls by this one with knights threatening the knights here and threatening the pawns with check, and with traps the rooks here. So knight b4, so this is a novelty by Wei here. So according this one, the old main lines with the year of 1951, pawn to e5 with the playing of international master Robert White's here. So this is a more book lines here with playings by Robert White's with pawn a5 here. So this is a old main lines by recording by Chessmaster opening database here. So without Wei is knight to b4 novelty. So after this book line here, with Wei, and Esipenko is knight captured here. Okay, so it means knight captured, bishop captured with check, and c3 excelente with Esipenko, bishop backwards d6. So without bishop backwards d6, so this is a dark square with challenge bishop to bishop. Bishop d2, so does not like of this backwards bishop d2 with Esipenko. Without once of this computer symbolize castling queen side here. So this is a castling queen side. So this is a good advantage for white. So this is a symbolize here. So this is a goods for whites. With bishop d2 here, bad move, so does not like of this backwards with Esipenko. Queen e8. Queen e8. So cannot move by this one with knight to f4 because this is a queens with pins with check here. So this is a check from targets. King d1. So it means Esipenko does not want by castling. Without castling with force move against with Esipenko, so it means king d1. So doesn't want by castling. So for me, with that idea, so I choose from move side, so it means symbolize castling. So castling queen side here. I choose from this one with once of castling queen side. So why Esipenko king d1? So does not want of castling here with GM Esipenko here because this is a kings must be Indians here. And also with Wei, queen a4 with check here, and also king c1. Force move against with Esipenko. So this is a properly active move. And also b5. So what the plans or next by this one with pawn to c5 here, or maybe here by this one with next of this one with b4 by next move here with Wei, and also knight f4. So it means knight f4 without idea with threatening the pawns here with free pawns. So another mistake, bad move again with Esipenko here. So it means the best move there, this one is pawn to b3 here, threatening the queens here. So if you move by this one with queen a3 check, and also king to c2, king c2, and also pawn to b4 here. Wait, pawn b4, sorry. Okay, pawn b4 here. So it means, so this is a pawn b4 blocks. So according this one by etc, so this is a goods for advantage for blacks here. So this is a good precise here. So back there this one, knight f4 with an idea with threatening the free pawns, and also c5 excelente with Wei attacks the pawns, bishop to d3 threatening the knights here, capture this pawn by Wei, bishop backwards c2. With threatening with targets with queens here, with attacks the queen. So this is a threats backwards queen a6 by Wei, and also capture this pawn continues by Esipenko, bishop d7, another excellent by perfect shot by Wei. So without this is a according this one once of this computer engine with good move. And also king b1, force move again with GM Esipenko, rook ac8, with more of this one with pinning by rook c5. So this is a pin by rook c5 by Wei, bishop d3 with attacks the pawns. So I don't know what's attacks the pawns without avoided by this one with bishop d3 by Esipenko here, and also rook c4 with sacrifice without idea with battery here. So this is a with move side by this one by rook c4. So sacrifice, so does not like of this one with sacrifice by computer by Wei here. So the one's computer, the best move this one is rook f e8 here. So this is a once of this computer here. So this is a goods for blacks by advantage here. So this is a very solutions here. So rook c4, so does not like of sacrifice by GM Wei here. And excelente with Exipenko is knight to e2 here, defense of this one with pawn. So why? Because if you rook c4 here with Wei, so with a rook c4, with idea with threatening by free pawns, I'll sacrifice. So this is a sacrifice here, because with that idea by Wei to attacks the pawns here. Without Exipenko is knight e2, defense by this one, because this is a excelente by GM Exipenko here. Okay, so the first guessing puzzle. So what do you think once of this computer Grandmaster Wei finding brilliant move against perfect shot by this Grandmaster in China Wei? So waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Knight e7, perfect shot, brilliant move against with Grandmaster Wei. So look at the evolution bar. So this is a highest by minus 1.12 here. So this is a brilliant by Wei. And also g4, so does not like of this g4 computer, bad move by Esipenko. So the one's computer, the best move is pawn a3 here. Okay, pawn e3 is a best move here, so this is a according this one by computer, so this is a goods for whites here. So another explain, for example here. So in idea, why don't we bishop capture with sacrifice here? With sacrifice and also captured here. Oh, without idea here. So this is a with pushes by this one, with closes by two connected pass pawn here. So this is a good slightly better here. Or maybe here by this one with capture this one with d takes c4 here. So this is a look at evolution bar. So this is a highest by minus 3.35 here. So this is a goods for examples here from whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is pawn g4 here. So bad move again with Esipenko here, and also rook fc8 without battery. So this is a brand X by Wei. So the branded move, this one is knight to c6 here. So this is a knight c6. So this is a goods for solutions for blacks here. So rook fc8 by Wei battery, and also h4 X move. So does not like of this computer by Esipenko. So this is a wrong move. So the one's computer, the best move this one is rook to e1 here. So this is a one's computer here. So rook e1 is a best shot by solutions here. So this is a good slightly better for whites for advantage here. So without h4, after h4 by brand X move, so the second puzzle, what do you think about another brilliant move by GM Wei from China? Second guessing puzzle, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Another brilliant is pawn b4. What a brilliant by pawns against Grandmaster Wei. Another brilliant pawn sacrifice here. And Esipenko is pawn b3. Another third brilliant bishop b5. Another third brilliant against by perfect shot by Grandmaster Wei. So look at evolution bar. This is a perfect by minus 2.49 here. So this is a very perfect by this one. So it means, so this is a three brilliant sacrifice against by Wei here. And also by Esipenko is captured this one by sacrifice here. Bishop captured c4. and also bishop c2. Without more of this one with ignorance. So with that idea, and explain here, why don't we bishop capture if you bishop takes c4 and also queen 2 captured by c4 here. Without idea by threatening by mating net. So this is a threatening by mating net here. So this is a easy wins for black because this is a upcoming by mating net by queen c2 here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop c2 avoided by ignorance by GM Esipenko, and also bishop d3 cannot let down against with GM Esipenko because Grandmaster Wei is fighting against one to follow us against bishop d3 to challenge by light square by bishop to bishop, and also bishop c3. Okay, sacrifice against with Esipenko, captured one piece down here with Esipenko because this is a captured b takes c3 by Wei, and also knight c1 by Esipenko. So this is a with knights with threatening the bishop here, with threatening the bishop and bishop by light square here, and also with last shot rook b8 here without end of this one round number 7 because so this is a check here with rook b8 check. So it means so Grandmaster Esipenko resigns by round number 7. So I thought Esipenko very difficulties by lose of this one with GM Esipenko. So this is a lowest by score here. Okay, so the score by Esipenko, this is a fairly satisfactory here. So this is a lowest score 75.7. So I thought Grandmaster Esipenko failure against score because this is a Grandmaster Esipenko, so this is a very difficulty by this one, but cannot concentrate by this one with Grandmaster here. And the score with highest by Grandmaster Wei 94.1. What the highest by perfect because this is a very brilliant sacrifice by Wei here. Okay, so let's see this one by final results after standings after round number 7 here. Okay, so the first by 6 points by Grandmaster Javoskir Sindarov by Uzbekistan. I thought the master of Javoskir Sindarov, so this is a perfect shot by score. And second by 4.5 by Grandmaster Fabiano Caruana, USA. And third by 3.5 by Grandmaster in India is Praggnanandhaa, the older sister of Vaishali. And fourth by Anish Giri in Netherlands. And number 5th by 3 points by Matthias Bolbon by Grandmaster in Germany and Grandmaster Wei, and 2.5 score by Grandmaster Hikaru Nakamura, and last but not least by 2 score by Grandmaster Andrei Esipenko. I thought failure with Andrei Esipenko, so this is a lowest score against this one because Esipenko was difficulty, so this is a cannot concentrate here. Okay, so the next of round number 8 here with the teammates with China between Grandmaster Tan Zhongyi versus Grandmaster Zhu Junior. So I will analyze here with next of this one, proceed of this next round. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Lowy 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Good night.